Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Simon Keeling here with your flying weather outlook for the weekend and the week ahead, brought to you exclusively by Flyer in association with weatherschool.co.uk. Wow, is it a hot one as I record this on Wednesday evening. Sun has just set, an amazing sunset, red skies, and actually tonight and Thursday night is the peak of the Perseid meteor shower. So after about 11 o'clock midnight, look out towards the east and we should see quite a few shooting stars. Wow, with the heat today and the sunshine, I was going to wear my weather school cap and do an Ian on it, but perhaps not. But what the hell, why not? Let's leave it on. We've got fair but hot conditions coming up through the course of the next few days. We do get an increasing wind across the south of the country. Thundery showers could occur from Sunday, and then an increasing risk of those thunderstorms as we head into next week. So these thundery showers being brought about as hot air moves in off the continent. So this is how things look then through the course of Thursday. We've got a front up towards the northwest bringing rain here, but through most of the country it is going to be fair. Getting hot again, 30 to 35 degrees quite widely, but we're going to be finding this increasing easterly wind affecting southern areas of the country, probably gusting up to 25 knots through the course of the afternoon. On to Friday, still got that easterly wind in play on Friday across southern areas, not quite so strong, gusts probably about 20 knots. More rain across the far northwest of Scotland, making for non-VFR conditions here, 1,000 to 2,000 foot bases, and cloud shrouding the hills with the tops probably about 10,000 feet, but for most areas it looks as if it should be generally fair. Any cloud bases around 5,000 feet, tops at about 8,000 feet. Now, getting into the weekend for Saturday, there's that easterly flow. You see the ice bars getting closer together across many parts of England, Wales and Ireland. So that indicating that easterly picks up. Gusts probably 15 to 20 knots, could get up to a 25 knot across eastern coasts. And as I always say at Weather School, these easterly winds are quite scrappy, so you've always got to be aware of that in the UK when we get that easterly. And talking of Weather School, have you booked your place yet on Aviation Weather School Part 1 on the consecutive Saturday mornings of the 3rd and 10th of September between 09:30 and 12:30 hours? This is your chance to build your confidence in being able to predict the weather yourself for your flying. Spot weather windows 5 days in advance and know that when you look at the METARs and the TAFs and Forms 214 and 215, you can be confident that the forecast you're seeing is what is actually going to be happening when you get out there. The course is presented entirely live online by me, so you don't even have to get out of bed if you don't want to. And it takes place over those two Saturday mornings, and you get a recording of each session to watch for up to a week after those sessions. Go to weatherschool.co.uk for more information, and you can book your place now here down the right hand side by clicking on Book Securely by Card and PayPal. All the information you need is at that website. Okay, so getting into Sunday. Wow, I'm going to take that off now. Yeah, we got low pressure down towards the southwest on Sunday. This is starting to push a trough just northeastwards. Now, this trough destabilising things a little bit, and another one coming into Western Scotland again may bring a few showers here, which could turn things marginal. But I actually think for both of these troughs at the moment, and watch the forecast really carefully over the next few days for this, I think what will happen is these will be what we call medium level thunderstorms breaking out. So this will be at about 5,000 to 8,000 foot bases, and tops could be up at sort of 15,000 to 20,000 feet. One of the questions about this is that is there going to be enough moisture in the atmosphere for thunderstorms to develop across the south? Probably yes across Western Scotland, but a big question mark over southern areas. Still got the easterly wind as well. It's still quite brisk, but otherwise we're into generally flyable conditions. Any base is 4,000 feet, tops at 6,000 feet, but generally skies are clear. But as I say, interesting one to watch if you're going to try and fly across southwest England, southern Wales and southern England. For Monday, we've got lower pressure, again is in control as we go through the course of Monday across the south of the country. This again could trigger some isolated thunderstorms. So I'm going to say generally VFRable, probably more moisture, probably a higher chance of some cumuls developing. Again, I'm going to go 4,000 to 6,000 foot bases, tops perhaps 12,000 to 15,000 feet. isolated thunderstorms around and obviously becoming marginal to non-VFR in those downpours. Similar across Scotland and Ireland, generally VFRable, but along the line of these troughs, starting to see these storms, these scattered storms develop. And again, we're looking at QNIMS, basis 5,000 feet, tops at around 15,000 feet. And then on to Tuesday. Again, that area of low pressure still with us. Looks like most showers are across central and eastern Scotland on Tuesday, but still flyable, but I think going marginal as those showers move in on the easterly wind. But elsewhere, generally flyable, but again, watching out for those isolated thunderstorms during the course of the afternoon. And then for Wednesday, hints of some more organised storms trying to get their way northwards during the course of Wednesday, mostly across western and southern areas, but eastern areas tending to be better and flyable here. But I would say as soon as these storms are starting to develop, late Sunday in the southwest and then everywhere through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, things will become bumpy. We need to watch for moderate to severe turbulence. So lots going on as we get into next week. We're going to need to have our hats at the ready through the course of next week. And don't forget to go to weatherschool.co.uk to book your place now at Aviation Weather School on the consecutive Saturday mornings of the 3rd and the 10th of September. Be superb to see you there. Okay, I will leave you with that for now. Whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining and bye for now.